Here we go, people. Hello, it's me, Dave, again. I'm just here finishing my install. We got one amp on. We're gonna do the base amp, one of them. We got everything connected. We got the battery monitor for Bluetooth, so we can check the amps, not the amps, the batteries by my phone with the app. With the wiring, now I'm doing the install of the fuse holder. I'm putting heat shrink to protect double inputs like those, like these. I put tester tape on it first to ensure protection of the terminal. Here we got one almost done. You're gonna be here heat shrinking it. You guys can see how the way finished job. So you can have protection when it's installed on top of the amp. There we go, short little video. Like, subscribe, comment. Help me out my channel to grow. Appreciate everything. Take care, people. Stay safe. Peace.